in the park near my house, there is this crazy oak tree that's there. It's huge, and a lot of the branches reach down to the ground and grow in all directions. It's a really nice shade tree. It's been there probably 300 years. Who knows? But anyway, um, when I was at the park today, I had my drone with me, and I wanted to see if I could put the drone into the tree. And this is the footage that I shot. As you can see here, I'm approaching the tree very cautiously because I don't want to smack any of the branches with the drone, as it would crash or probably break, and it's my nicest drone. It's not a very good drone. It's a Holy Stone HS360E. It's not a DJI or any of the fancy ones, but it gets the job done. The camera on it is really nice, but it's only got a 2-axis gimbal for the camera, so it doesn't do any Steadicam stuff with the camera, which is unfortunate, but hey, it gets the job done. It's very clear, as you can see. And here I am, I'm approaching the tree and kind of rising up into it, slowly, trying not to hit any of the branches. And I just thought it was a cool tree to try to get in there and get some detail on the bark and the leaves with the drone without having to climb the tree, which I wouldn't be able to do. But I have seen kids climb it, and I've seen a lot of squirrels, which I didn't see today. I probably scared them off with the drone. But anyway, I'm just trying to maneuver around all the branches, trying to get some good placement of the drone inside the tree. It was a beautiful day, no wind at all. As you can see, the leaves aren't moving at all in the tree. The tree had some great growth of moss and bark and Spanish moss, green moss. It was really cool. So it's drone's getting in there. I'm trying to maneuver it into this one little pocket here above this big branch, and it's getting there. It's just trying to maneuver it. The drone hopping like that is just me moving it forward and stopping, moving it forward and stopping. I tried to stand right below it to see exactly what it was going to be near, and it got pretty close to a lot of things. Did a lot of spin arounds inside the tree to see what was going on. So there's me looking straight, there's drone looking straight down. So it's going to move around, keep spinning. At one point, I've tried to get really close to a branch. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I thought about landing on the branch, and then I decided not to. But here it's just maneuvering around. This tree is just so amazing. There's me. Hello, how are you doing? Yep, I think it was about now when I decided to pull it back out of the tree and land it. I did a hand catch landing. Didn't have my landing pad on the ground, so I just kind of snatched it out of the air when it was close enough. Oh, there was a squirrel. I just saw one running around. Let's see. It's a great tree. So far, no hurricanes have wiped it out. So here it comes down. I'm coming down, about ready to catch it now.